Hi, welcome to the Adams County website by Kelly Shepard. Here is my PDF book, and it has all of my summary here. As you can see, I've got my typography research, my architecture research, my county websites examples. This is my good examples. My good text-heavy sites. My bad text-heavy sites, my sketches, and this is also my personas that I created. A 16-year-old boy wanting to take a driver's test, needs to know where and when to go for the test. Fred is a 60-year-old man that wants to find photos of Adams County when he was young, and Angie, who's 35, wants to find her voting precinct and where it is. This is my flow chart that I thought would be a good way to make everything flow easily. And this was my first prototype here. And this is the large prototype. And this is my second prototype. This is where you can see I'm starting to add color and get some ideas. Some of the things that I changed on this was the position of the hamburger, also the making it more universal. I was trying to make it user-friendly that way. Here's my second large screen prototype, adding the footer, and I also switched out the making the sounds sans serif script on all of them. And here's my last one. And this is the mobile version. And let me pop to that here. Now I will warn you that it says that this is running wrong today, so we'll cross our fingers it'll work correctly. Alright, so if we're going to find the gallery, we're going to go to About, and there's our photo gallery. And then if we go for voting, we do election precincts. Okay, so this did not update. I did switch it so it was not centered. And then also with the services, here's the driver's license. As this one is not center, it's this side. It worked. Okay, but as you can also see with this, is the About turns blue, and so it's obvious which ones you can click on this. I did have many people go through this website, and ages 11 through, I think he's in his 80s, and we had about 12 people go through. They found it all, they were able to find everything, everybody was, fairly quickly. As you can see, here's, again, this changes so you can see where you are and see which ones you can click on. And here's the precinct here. And let's go to services, driver's license, and it's all aligned to the other side. And you can see this is one of the glitches it's having today because this one is not scrolling and it's a lot smaller, but it was originally the right way, but it said that the XD is having problems today. So I'm sorry about that, but that is beyond my control. I hope you like my website, and I hope you like the changes I made, and I will see you again later. Thank you. Bye-bye.